Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March the 11th, 2023. We're going to talk about Solana today, and I'll give you all from a charts perspective as to how you can know Solana is worth less than you think. We're just going to simply look at the price, trying to get that answer. So real quick, before I get started, look at this. I did a price prediction in Solana back there on the 17th of February, 2023. You guys can see that I was kind of bullish into the market in Solana at that moment in time. I was looking for the price to go higher and precisely hit this $27 price, which it occurred on 3 days following the price prediction of 18.94%. Now, people try to tell you that you cannot anticipate how high price is going to go. Well, we actually timed the top, because since this day, February the 20th, 2023, the market in Solana has completely fell off a cliff. So don't let people try to convince you that this is an impossible game that you cannot win at, because here's proof, another example of many on this channel that shows you that you can actually time as to where price is going to go. So congratulations to those who was able to win from that particular prediction. Now let's get to how we can tell just by looking at the chart that Solana is worth less than what you may think it is. Well, for one reason, when I come through and I change the outlook of the price action, this is one reason how you can tell that Solana currently is worth less than what you may think. Price is in a downtrend. It's just that simple. So if we're in a trend, that means that we're looking for a pattern. That means that we're looking for price to continue to move a certain direction until it breaks that pattern. Well, we're seeing price as of right now in Solana go down. So that's one reason how we can tell why Solana could be worth less than what we may think it actually is today. That's one reason. The second reason is how price in Solana is no longer holding this area of $18.50. You guys can remember I had that as a support area previously, and now the market in Solana is trading below that area. That's another indication to tell you that Solana may be prepared for that continuation of going lower in price. Okay, look at this on the 2-day chart. So you guys can see over the last 4 days in price action for Solana, we've seen an increase in volume. Okay, that's something that we need to be aware of, because it either tells us that people are becoming more active, and the only way that you can get more active is either by buying or selling this currency. And as of right now, we can tell that the majority of the activity that occurred in Solana has been selling. Yes. Now, currently on this 2-day price bar, which we do have 6 hours and 43 minutes left, we can actually kind of gauge that maybe buyers may be entering the market right now in Solana. Here it is on the 3-day chart. Okay, again, this last completed 3-day price bar is revealing to me that buyers stepped into the market in Solana there. Okay, here it is on the 5-day, 6 hours and 43 minutes left on this current 5-day price bar. And I think you guys can see where buyers are approaching Solana. Okay, so it's right there. This is where the market in Solana is approaching. The buyers are looking to support price. As long as that holds, then we may be in a stage of consolidation of trading to where the market in Solana will trade like this, from $16 to $28. Weekly chart, you guys can see it there. Okay, 2 weeks, here it is. 3 weeks, take a look at that. Even here on the 5-weekly chart, take a look at that. So as of right now, what I think the price in Solana is going to do is continue to meander and trend ever so slightly to the downside until we get more buyers. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you that I'm massively bearish in this cryptocurrency, but I'm not bullish neither. Okay, when you have these type of environments, you always want to follow the trend that the market currently is on, and is currently down. And we saw current area support already there around 16. Now that's only one time that the market came and propped up price in Solana there. Now what I want to see is another attempt as price comes down to 16 to find more buyers. And then maybe another attempt that buyers continue to hold price in Solana at 16, because then I will tell you that this is definitely the area that buyers are staging their campaign as to where they're looking for the market to move higher from there. Since this is only the first time that we've seen buyers in Solana hold here, I want to give the market more time. Okay, because until I see the market continually hold this $16 as support, this downtrend that has been in place in Solana since the 20th of February, it is still on course. Okay, so what I'm going to do on this particular video is I'm not going to drop a price prediction. I'm just going to let the market continually trade. And as we see the market continue to go forward, if we continue to see price hold 16, then you'll see for yourself that buyers are here and price is going to hold support here and begin to lift up higher. Until that time, the idea is for Solana to continue to trend down until it finds the buyers. So if they're not going to be at 16, buyers could possibly approach the market in Solana around $15 all the way down to 13. So let me go ahead and just simply extend that, because that would have to be the current idea today, is that Solana's going to continue to drift down. All right. So let the market continue to give us more information. It's preferably to see whether or not buyers coming around 16, because if that's the case, then I'll come back in and do another prediction looking for the market in Solana to trend up. But until that time, my idea is for Solana to continue to go lower. All right. So I'm done. Real simple, real easy. This is one way that you guys can tell how the overall market is thinking about a particular cryptocurrency. If you guys want to learn more, subscribe to the channel, because you're not going to get any fear, FUD, FOMO on this channel. I simply want us to understand that this is not a complicated game, and you can also predict where prices are going to go. So make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.